Hi everyone, Salam Muslims. Today we will fix Google certificate error. First let me show you the error. Now let's fix this. First open any browser, then download app known as Device ID, also link in description. Once download, open and install it with unknown source enable option. After this open the browser and access this page. Log in from same account you register the device from. Now you access this page. Here open the app, Device ID and copy Google Service Framework GSF number. Open browser page and paste it here, also click register. On confirm register. Now reboot the device. If same error, try the process again. Here you go, enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe us. Like, share, comments. God bless us all, Ameen. Especially our brothers and sisters in Palestine, Gaza, Iran etc. Ameen.